Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy bot lobbies. Many players look for bot lobbies to enjoy a more relaxed gaming experience or to practice new strategies without intense pressure. These lobbies typically feature opponents who are less skilled, sometimes even actual bots, allowing you to achieve higher scores and complete challenges more easily. It's a great way to hone your skills in a low-stakes environment. One common method involves playing during off-peak hours, when fewer highly skilled players are online. This increases your chances of being matched with less experienced opponents. Another effective strategy is to use a new or secondary account, as game matchmaking systems often place new players into easier lobbies to help them learn the ropes. Additionally, connecting to less populated server regions can sometimes result in less competitive matches. Many games offer settings that can indirectly help. For instance, playing with a party of friends who have lower skill ratings can sometimes average down the overall lobby skill level. Some titles even include dedicated bot match modes, which are perfect for practicing without real player interference. Always check your game's specific options, as these can vary widely and offer unique ways to find a less competitive environment. While seeking easier lobbies can be fun, it's important to consider the impact on other players. Use these methods responsibly and remember that true skill comes from challenging yourself. Always prioritize fair play and ensure you are not violating any game's terms of service. Ultimately, the goal is to enjoy the game, whether through intense competition or a more relaxed, practice-oriented session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.